Okay, question number 19, which is from theory of computation. They have given a grammar which is context free, and they want to know, and they have given three options, and they want to know which option is correct. So they have given S. So first we will check G is ambiguous or not. Like if I take a string like AB, okay, for AB, this string can be generated by G, and we can have two that is derivation tree for this string, like SS. For here you can give AB, or here you can get SS. For that, after that you can get AB here, and for here 0 1. Another is SS. From here you can get null. From here you can get AB. So for one string you can get two tree, so it is ambiguous, so it is correct. Z produces all string with equal number of A and B, okay, but you can check that AABB, this string cannot be generated by G, so this is false. G can be accepted by deterministic PDA. Okay, the given grammar G generates the language AB plus BA whole star, okay, which is a regular, and therefore it is a DCFL, and DCFL is always can be accepted by PDA. So for this option 1 and 3 is correct, so option B is the correct option for this question. Okay, thank you.